Well, you might not believe it, but here's how it happened. One fine summer morning, a little bug sneezed. Loud, say, achoo! A little bug sneezed.
That is so awesome.
That was awesome.
What's
that was
the
the
next
best one
part?
I've ever seen.
What's the best part?
Oh my gosh. Because of that sneeze, a little seed dropped. Because that seed dropped, a worm got hit. Because that worm got hit, that worm got mad. Because he got mad, he kicked a tree. Because of that kick, a coconut dropped. Because that nut dropped, a turtle got bopped.
He smiles after he does it.
And that turtle named Jake fell on his back with a splash in the lake. Because of that, with a splash in the lake. Splash. Splash. Because of that splash, a hen got wet. Because she got wet, that hen got mad.
You want me to hold that?
Because she got mad, she kicked a bucket. Because she kicked the bucket went up. Because it went up, that bucket came down. It came down on the head of Farmer Brown. And that bucket got stuck on his head.
I like that.
Good boy. Sure. Oh, you want some water? Oh.
All right, we're gonna call it.